Hey friends, welcome back to Prarthana's Multibox. I'm here today with a very simple and one of my favorite recipe. Guess what? It's Palak Paneer. Do try this out at home and I hope it will be your favorite too. Let's start cooking. Now let me tell you the ingredients for Palak Paneer. 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 slit green chilli, few curry leaves, 1 big onion finely chopped, 1 small pod of garlic finely chopped, a half teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Oil for cooking, salt for taste, 1 piece of butter. I have taken paneer which is shallow fried in ghee. You could add the paneer directly without frying. Fresh milk cream. This is palak puree. Let me explain how I did it. Take 250 grams of cleaned and washed palak and a big tomato chopped into cubes. Take a pan, put palak as well as the tomato and blanch it with very little amount of water for 3 to 4 minutes. And after that, allow it to cool completely and blend it into puree. Let's start cooking. On the stove, take a Kadai, add 4 to 5 spoons of oil, let the oil heat. Let's add some jeera. Fry the jeera. Let's add garlic. Fry it. Now let's add onions. Now let's add the curry leaves and chili. Continue frying. Let's add a little bit of salt. Fry this more. Increase the flame. Lower the flame. Add the powders, chili chili powder, garam masala and haldi. You could add chili powder as per your taste. I have added 1 teaspoon chili powder. Fry. Continue frying. Now let's add the palak puree. Increase the flame. Let's add some water. Let's add some salt now. Mix. Allow it to boil. Now I'll close the lid and I will allow it to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. The gravy has started boiling. Let's mix it. Let it boil for another 1 minute. Mix it again. Let's add the paneer now. I love paneer. I love palak paneer especially. Do try this at home. This is very tasty gravy and almost very easy to make, and my favorite gravy. Lower the flame. Add the fresh cream. Mix it. Increase the flame. Continue mixing. And now finally, let's add some butter. Now our palak paneer is ready to serve. It's very tasty, very delicious. So please do try it at home. Off the flame. And it's now ready. Okay, my dear friends, our Palak Paneer is ready. It smells so good and it's one of my favorite. I can't wait to taste it. So please do try it at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications. Thank my mother for helping me in preparing this dish. Thank you. This is Prarthana BK signing out until we meet again in the next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.